Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yeah, pretty much clear.
Okay, very good.
Okay, so, sir, shall we start?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. Okay, so good morning to everyone. I welcome our chief guest, Professor Mishra, the director, IIT Goa, and Professor Subudhi, Dean Research and Development, IIT Goa. And I welcome you all the participants. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Mishra and Professor Subudhi for gracing this event in spite of their busy schedule. And this faculty development program is sponsored by AICTE, and the FTP focuses on signal processing for 5G, algorithms and implementation. Essentially, the FTP will cover the recent trends and state-of-the-art signal processing techniques in 5G with many experts and researchers in this field. Now let me formally introduce our chief guest, Professor Mishra, our director, to you. Professor Mishra obtained his PhD in metallurgical engineering from University of Utah, Salt Lake City, USA, and MS in metallurgical engineering from Wayne State University, USA. Before joining as director IIT Goa, he was serving as director CSIR IMMT Bhubaneswar, and prior to that, he was a professor in IIT Kanpur. Also, Professor Mishra had served several positions as Chairman, Recruitment and Assessment Board, CSIR New Delhi, and visiting professor, University of Utah and University of Aston University, UK. And Professor Mishra has received many recognitions and awards, including Vasvik Award, which is given to the people who excel their research in their particular field, and Fellow of Indian National Academy of Engineering, INAE, and National Mineral Award, and IIME Mineral Beneficiation Award. And I feel very happy to share you with you all that very recently, Professor Mishra, as a scientist, has been ranked as number 11 in the world for his research in the field of mining and metallurgy by Stanford University, USA. Now I kindly request Professor Mishra to take it over and address the participants. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. So my research area is quite different, but as you said, this 5G is something it has. It's likely to impact all our lives and our working style and cutting across many areas of activities. So I'm not alone. All of you will be impacted to some extent or other. So in that context, then I believe that this course is going to be very useful. So I welcome all the participants to IIT Goa and thank them for participating in this important activity. And I'm glad that all of them are attending this faculty development program launched by AICTE. And our experience tells us that the past FTP programs that we organized here was having far-reaching impact. Therefore, I'm hoping that this FTP is also going to be very useful to you. And should you like and experience it here, then there are quality development program and QIP programs are also there, so which you may consider for future activities in IIT Goa, particularly with regard to your career and career enhancement. So this is wonderful. So welcome once again, and I again congratulate my faculty colleagues particularly Dr. Nilkantan and Professor Subhuti, those who took keen interest in organizing this. Okay, my power will go in a short while, or it has come. No, it hasn't come. So it's showing that it will go. Yesterday there was no power in Ponda. Hopefully you will have power in your place. So before I switch up or forced to switch up, let me thank all of you for organizing this 5G.
I think the power disrupted in Professor Mishra's home, I guess.
Sir. Power. Oh, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir. Thank you. So, Professor Nilkandan, Professor Mishra said that job. So he said that he's sorry that he could not continue more, although he wanted. So let us continue activity. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. I thank you very much to Professor Mishra. Though he got disconnected, I would like to convey my heartful thanks, and let us continue with the other speakers and chief guest. So now I would like to introduce to you Professor Vidyadhar Subhuti, who is the Dean Research and Development of IIT Goa, and now currently he is a professor in the School of Electrical Sciences. And Professor Subhuti obtained his PhD from University of Sheffield, UK, and MTech from IIT Delhi. And prior joining IIT Goa, Professor Subhuti had been serving as professor at higher administrative grade in NIT Roorkela. And Professor Subhuti has been conferred with many recognitions and awards, including Fellow of the Indian National Academy of Engineering and Fellow IIT UK, and Senior Member of IEEE USA, and elevated to Senior Member in June 2008 itself. And he has received Samantha Chandrasekhar Award in 2013 by Orissa Bigyan Academy, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Orissa. And also he has been conferred with Newton Fellowship, Royal Academy of Engineering, UK. Now I kindly request Professor Subhuti to address the participants. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Nilkandan, for inviting and introducing me very nicely. And I take this opportunity to welcome all the participants to this wonderful FDP program, that signal processing for 5G communication, which is a very interesting course, I suppose. And I welcome all the participants to this course and IIT Goa for this coming week. You will be enjoying these course deliberations. And I consider these FDP programs not only for learning a program, but also to establish a collaboration in many fronts. Some of you may find it useful to contact some of the professors here who are yet to do their PhD. And those of you who have already done your PhD, you could find this an avenue to pursue your collaborative research activities, submitting a joint proposal somewhere, and maybe contributing a research towards publication, or maybe you can take a industry consultancy as well. So as our director has rightly mentioned, now we are moving from 4G to 5G. so that this technology will definitely influence our life in several ways. And needless to say that Dr. Nilkandan has planned this course in a way that it will be very much concise and lucid, so that you will be finding it interesting. I believe that this course will be very much fruitful for your career. And I also bring this to your notice that IIT Goa is frequently conducting courses and workshops, symposium, seminars. So please do consider for attending such programs at IIT Goa. I also thank AICT for providing this opportunity to organize this course here at IIT Goa, and it is needless to say that the coordinator is very enthusiastic for organizing this FDP. And at the end, please convey your messages that how you'll be interacting in many ways, as I mentioned in my beginning of the introduction. So with this short introduction, I once again welcome you to this wonderful FDP and to IIT Goa, and wish you a very enjoyable and fruitful course participation. Had it been corona free, you would have enjoyed the facilities, and I wish that you will be definitely getting this opportunity in future. Thank you once again.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah,
thank you very much, Professor Shubhdeep. So thanks for the very vital points to the participants. And in fact, we have found that the timeliness of the FDP is very crucial. And now we see that 5G, the applications are at the vibrant research and attracting more and more researchers and getting cutting edge technologies in the field too. So that's why we thought that we should offer this FDP at this time. And so I hope that we will make it a grand success. Thank you very much, Professor Shubhdeep. I will take it over.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so now, so after this formal inaugural ceremony, I will address few important points to the participants regarding how the FDP will go on and what are the things you have to be taking care of. So very first that, just a minute, let me. Okay. Now, see, all the 14 sessions will be held in this Microsoft Teams, and you will be able to access all the materials, everything in the single platform. So I don't need to share it with you, slides or materials, recording every day. Once the session is over, it will automatically, the recording will be stored in the cloud. Once you log in with your credentials shared with you, you will be able to see the part that where in the general you can see the files, and there you can access to the recordings and all the slides and materials shared by the speakers and as well as the FDP team. And if at all you join, this link will be same for all the 5 days and all the sessions. So you can just follow the brochure as per the timing, you can come and join the link. If there is any deviation from the schedule, what I have already shared with you, I will intimate you well in advance. Unless it is stated otherwise, the FDP will follow the same schedule given in the brochure. And second point, if you join as a guest, you will not be able to access to the materials. So as I think I have written to you many times that to clarify your questions on if at all you have anything in logging in with your credentials shared by IIT Goa. If you still have any problems, either you can drop me an email or text your name here in this chat box so that I will inform my administrative team to check that and give you the reactivate your link again. So unless you join as with the given credentials, you will not be able to access to that. You will be able to join the sessions, but recording and slides, everything you may not get access to. Fine. So if you have any questions, I have allowed mic to you. You can open it and clarify your questions one at a time. Unless you speak in here, please mute your mic. Else I have to mute for everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is there any WhatsApp group for this FTP?
No, I have not created any WhatsApp group. I will communicate everything by email, but however, the link is there, so you can join as per the program schedule.
Sir, what about the schedule, sir? Timing schedule?
I have shared the brochure also in the email. That is the email that is also available in the Teams account. If you go to files, you can see the brochure.
Files, sir? Files. Okay, sir.
Okay, so if you don't have any other questions, the first session will start at 11:30 instead of 11, what is given in the brochure, because Atal has yesterday instructed all the FDP coordinators that to leave the gap from 11 to 11:30, so that there is a common inauguration for all the people, all the FDPs which are going to commence today. So since from 11 to 11:30, we give a break to allow the participants to go through the YouTube channel where the common inauguration is happening. So we will commence at 11:30 again. Okay, so if you don't have any other questions, we will disperse and join back at 11:30.
Sir, in this where we can see the files, sir? Files in this.
Yeah, you are not able to see that?
Because this is the first time I'm using Microsoft Teams.
Yeah, no problem. Let me know. So still you find difficulty to get that?
Yes, sir. I don't know where to see the files. Maybe.
Yeah, okay. Let me share the screen now. From my side, I will show you where it is.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir. I'm seeing this.
So once you log in with the credentials, this is what you will see. Probably you may land at here in the very first place, where you will be able to see the meeting notifications and all the details here. Then if you come to Teams, you can see the Atal FDP 5G. Since I have added your credentials in the team, you will be able to see that you are the member of this team. Then if you go to files here, you'll be able to see the materials and everything will be presented here. See, here you can see the brochure. You click and download, you can get the brochure from here. If you go into this folder, all the sessions recording will be loaded here automatically. And if the speakers after the session, when they share the slides, I will place the slides in this class materials. So everything you can get access in the single platform.
I am seeing the screen in a different way. Your face handle is visible and screen is visible, sir, but I'm not getting this pink color general. This handle I'm not getting.
Okay. Could you please share your screen from your side, or else let me check? Okay, I do one thing. Let me check with my students from the member side. I will clarify if something different at your point.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I will address that when we meet at 11:30. I will address the problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, please. Someone is asking.
Yes, sir. I'm Shalini Priya.
Yeah.
Should I change my credential as FTP _ mail ID? My mail ID. Is it right, sir?
Yes. Have you received your password?
No, sir. I received it, but I couldn't see in my mail. I am searching in my mail.
Okay. If you have not received your password yet, I will note down your name. So I will instruct the IT team to send you the activation link again. Your name is Shalini Priya, right?
Shalini Priya.
Sir, yeah. If the credentials are different other than Atal FTP, then we could not able to get a certificate, sir, because as per Atal FTP.
No. This is nothing to do with your certificate. I'm not going to that part at all. So all of you, as you deserve to receive the certificate. Okay, so you have been participating in the event, you will get the certificate. I am telling that just an hassle-free of transferring the contents among us. Instead of every time I send you the slides in the common email and you have to download everything. This will help you to you can come and download at your point at any time. So that's the only purpose I want.
We attended usually Atal FTPs. They mentioned that whatever the email ID we have registered in your Atal FTP, the same thing we have to do it for all the IFTPs like that. So now
No.
it is okay, sir.
Yeah, just let me clarify that point. Thanks. Actually, that is for the when you log in with your Atal FTP, that is something different with the portal. Once you have registered, how do we handle that? Whether with Teams or Google Meet, Zoom, whatever the case, it's only up to us.
Okay, sir.
So whatever the convenient platform between participants and the coordinator, we can go with that. One might feel that Zoom is easier than that, but the problem is that it has very less control over the meetings, and the recordings will be stored in the cloud. We have to pay for that separately. So with the limited budget, I find this is pretty much useful, and I don't need to share the recording every time to you by email. And of course, you can download that with a larger size.
Yes, sir.
So
And in mail
will
we
make you
didn't
to access
receive
together.
schedule.
Sorry?
Mail we didn't receive schedule.
Yeah.
FTP schedule. FTP schedule we didn't receive in mail, sir.
Yeah. So okay, I will send it anyway.
Okay.
But I think I have already sent that. Let me check that again.
Okay.
No, I have. I think can I say you? Sir, yeah. So I have shared it yesterday itself.
Okay. Okay, sir.
If you look at the email, Sunday, August 8th at 4:35 p.m. I have sent the brochure by email to all of you.
Okay.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is Selvi from Satyabama University, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Sir, we have joined with the name, sir, but it is showing as guest in the bracket. Is there any other way, sir? You said that if you join with guest, we cannot able to access the material.
No. But are you able to see the files and recording everything in once you join here in the Teams?
Yes, sir. You're sharing your screen now. I can able to see that.
No.
But it is.
No, Professor Selvi, not that.
Yes,
Once
sir.
you log into the credentials, are you able to access to the files and recording everything what I have shown now?
That I not tried, sir.
Okay.
I have to try
that
now.
may be an issue if you join with. Always you can join the link. That won't stop you.
In the link, I can join, sir, but it is showing as a guest, sir.
Yeah, that is what. I think you might have just directly clicked the link and joined with the team.
Yes,
so
yes,
that will
sir.
directly allow you to do that.
Okay. In what way I have to join, sir?
You have to sign in. Once you open the Teams, you should sign in.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Schedule I got it, sir. Schedule I got it. August 8th. Sunday. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Thanks.
Good morning.
Sir, I too received, Shalini Priya from Sairam, sir. I too received the mail from Microsoft Teams.
Yeah.
Will change my credential and join.
Yes. And log in with that, then automatically the bracket guest won't show you for your name, and you will be able to get access to everything in a single shot, in a single panel.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thanks.
Good morning, sir. This is Jolie from RIT. Sir, I am not able to log in using my username password. I have now logged in using as guest.
Okay.
Hello.
So when you try to sign in with the credentials shared with you, it is showing any error?
Sir, I don't know the password. Username it is accepting, but password, the password when I click forget password, it's some error it is showing.
Yeah. Okay, Professor Jolie. I will inform them to resend the activation link to you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I have noted that.
Okay,
Good
sir.
morning, sir. This is
Good morning.
Veltech University, sir. Sir, actually, for us, official group is actually our student, it is our class, everything is in Teams only, sir.
Excuse me, ma'am. I observe a lot of noise in your background, not your voice clarity.
Sir, hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Is it clear now, sir?
Okay, yeah, please go ahead, please. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm from Veltech University, sir. Actually, for us, official class handling, everything is in Microsoft Teams only, sir. So already we are having the ID in Teams given by our university. So if I use this one, will it be a problem for my official user, that is sign in username and other things? What is going on in our regular academic schedule, sir?
No, this will not interfere with you. Suppose that, say, I have also an account in the IIT domain. I have also my personal account in the MS Teams.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It's all that when you just join, you have to sign in with this new credentials shared with you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, but that won't interfere or take any breach
So
of
every
in your
time-
own personal property. No, it won't create any problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. This is something like you have two email IDs in the same Gmail. That's it.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So if you don't have any other questions, we'll wind it up. So let us meet at 11:30 again. And meanwhile, I will check with your queries and let me just log in with one user account, a members account from the participants and see how that looks. Thank you all. We will meet at 11:30. See you.